This is the elevator at the USF Chemistry Building, Tampa, Florida. Here's your certificate. This elevator dates back to, I think this building was built in the 60s, so we're gonna go up to 3. This could have been an Otis, who knows? Get a nice view out here. We're gonna go back down. It's got a chime, although it's really faint. When the video down at 1.